Hey, hey! Brian Sensei here. You know, I often find myself sending email messages over and over again to the same group of people. In order to save myself time, I utilize email groups. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use email groups in Microsoft Outlook. Let's check it out. All right, so first I'm going to come down and search for Outlook to open Outlook Mail in the desktop. All right, so here I have an email queued up that I'm going to send out regarding our annual staff party for the School of Rock, and I need to add my recipients. Now I have several instructors that I'm sending this to, so rather than add them one by one, I'll create a group. So all I have to do is add the group. Saves me a lot of time. Before I create my group, I need to make sure that all of these users are in my contacts. So I'm going to go over here to contacts on the left. And you can see here, I already have some contacts in. I've got Sting, Mick, Rocker Hall, and Elton. So I need to add one more before I create my group. So I'm going to go up here to New Contact, and I'll provide the name and the email address, billy@pianoman.com.
It's the next phase, new wave, dance great. Anyway, still rock and roll with me.
Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and click Save and Close. So now we can see we've got Billy added to our contact list. Now we can make the group. So I'm going to come up here to New Contact Group. And first I'll name it. So this is School of Rock Instructors. And now I come up here to add my members. And I'll add them from my Outlook contacts. So here they are. I can click on the name and then click Members down below and individually continue this to add all of the folks that I would like to be part of this group. I'm going to go ahead and add them all and click OK. Now we can see all 5 of them are added to the group. I'll save and close. Now we see the group listed here. And so I will come back to my mail. So check out how easy this is. Now I know I want to send to all of the people in that group. All I have to do is come up to my To field and I'll type school, and look at that, School of Rock Instructors group pops right up. Boom shakalaka. Now they're added. And you can see I can actually expand this to actually confirm that they are all in there. Yep, and I will send this off. Now, something else I want to call out is if you ever need to get back into this group and modify it, all you have to do is come back to your contacts, come down here to the name of your group, click on it, then click on Members, click on the 3 dots, and edit Contact. So now in here, you can add more members or select a member and remove them from the group. All right. Now, I want to show you what this looks like in Outlook in the web. So I'm going to go to Microsoft Edge and we will go to Outlook. You can go to office.com or outlook.com to get there. Now, it works pretty much the same way when you're on the web, except there's a slight difference. You will go over to Contacts to create your group. You can add new contacts here, but when it comes to creating the group, they're now called contact lists when you're in the Outlook Online app. So if I click All Contact Lists, here is my School of Rock Instructors group. You will see groups down here, but know that these are dynamic groups that are automatically updated, and so they have a little bit different type of function. So just remember that when you're on the web, you'll look for all contact lists. All right, and that is how you use Outlook groups/contact lists to save you time.